Hey, don't you love technology? Pretty sweet, huh? Look at this. I will never clean my room ever again. I'm in a restaurant and making money. No, I'm not in a restaurant. I'm just walking around. I'm opening my door and I'm walking. This is so crazy. Look at this. I'm in like some big city. Yeah. Let's throw this on YouTube. Hey, if you like these videos, follow me on YouTube. You know what? I just hit 70,000 followers on YouTube. Andreyshunt. Don't be shy. We talk about everything. We talk about everything. Fishing, money, cooking, race, of course. We talk about everything. This is so sweet. Look, this is so sweet. Seriously, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Leave a comment below. Don't be shy. We need comments. Seriously. And I know a couple tricks up. I have a couple tricks up my sleeve. How to go viral on YouTube. Trust me.
Daddy, can you give me the dinner day candy?
A what?
Dinner day kiss.
Another day kiss?
Yeah, can you give me?
It's called Avid Calendar, Liana.
Can you give me this day?
It's called Avid Calendar. What do you see in here?
A building.
Hey, tell everybody what happened to you yesterday. She lost her tooth. And today I woke up to this big old monster hovering in front of her, going. And she got paid, cash money paid. Well, Liana, tell them what they should do.
What?
Tell them what they should do.
Get your tooth out if it's wiggly.
A what?
Get your tooth out if it's wiggly.
No. They should subscribe to on Daddy's YouTube channel.
Subscribe on Daddy's YouTube channel.
And she's the one that's making me all like blowing up. She was the baby, that gummy bear baby that has 14 million views. Her video got 14 million views.
When I was little.
Yeah, it was 4 years ago. I was just making her mad, taking a phone from her and recording, and she was crying her brains out. And now Daddy's paying her a bunch of money, right?
I'm
not paying you nothing. I know. I cannot put a child to work. Can't. Anyways, hey, if you like this, subscribe. Seriously. We got some awesome content, and if you don't like little gummy bear in my videos, I apologize, because it comes with it for now.
Daddy,
till the new year, and then I have to switch it up.
It is what?
Daddy! Calendar.
It is this one.
Yeah, it's the third.
What?
It's the third day.
This one?
That's the 8th.
Okay, what's first?
Third, I cannot find it. It's like, it's not in order. Go ask Mom. Oh, right here, third. Oh, thanks. Hey, thank you. Seriously. And Cyber Monday was crazy. Crazy. Took 71 packages in. Seriously. Thank you. Share, like, subscribe. Goodbye.